few weeks ago, I made 11k in 7 days using this product right here, only through a process called dropshipping. And the craziest part is I did this without any investment and without any money. And in today's video, I'm gonna be revealing the winning product along with the 3-step blueprint that I followed, which literally starts by you finding a winning product on TikTok. The second thing that I did was literally call up my supplier and get this product for cheaper price. And I'm also gonna be sharing the exact steps I took to find a supplier for this product for a cheaper price. And the third and the last step, which is the most important, get sales without advertising. And if you guys are curious how I did that through affiliate marketing along with posting on TikTok and Instagram. And in today's video, I'm gonna go over step-by-step guide on how you guys can do this too. So if you wanna know the winning product along with all of the 3-step blueprint, make sure you watch this video until the end. So to pull up the curtains and show you guys exactly how I find this product, it was quite simple. All I did was create a TikTok burner account, basically interact with dropshipping videos and dropshipping products, and your For You page gets filled up with those products. And if you guys wanna see my TikTok burner account, this is exactly what it looks like. It is literally filled with so many winning products, and every scroll I see a brand new product that I have never seen, and this is one of the best ways to actually get these winning products. And if you guys are curious, can you have a TikTok burner account? I'm gonna explain it to you guys in under 30 seconds. All you have to do is literally go to TikTok and create a brand new TikTok account on your mobile. Second thing you have to do is literally search these keywords: TikTok maybe buy, Amazon finds, dropshipping products. And once you search each one of these keywords, go inside the account, like all of the videos, comment, and try to follow these accounts that follow dropshipping products. And now your For You page is literally filled with winning products just like this one right here. If you guys are curious, what is this product? This is a Portaflex projector, and this is exactly how I made 11k in 7 days. So after doing my product research through my TikTok burner account and seeing this product over and over and again, it was time for me to create a store, because I knew this product is doing really good. I knew a lot of people are selling it. It was time for me to take advantage of it. So once I found the product, I literally went over to Shopify, created my whole store, and it was looking at 10 out of 10. I am going to show you guys the exact store right over here so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, it is called Flex Projector, and as you guys can see, the first part of the website is actually a video explaining the whole product, and it is a one product store. And once you go down, it actually promotes the product straight up. If you go more down, it just tells the store benefit that we actually offer to the customers. Now once you actually click on shop now, you will be able to land in the product page, which is way more important than the home page. The home page isn't seen by many people, but the product is seen by almost everyone. So if you guys look at this, it says Portaflex Spotlight HD Projector, and it has over 200 reviews, amazing quality images. And if you go down, we have this timer, which I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'm also gonna leave a description for the reviews that I got. But if you guys look at the website, it's super clean, it's 10 out of 10, and it has all of the questions that people needs to get an answer for. We have gifts for the website. Gifts is so important because once they come from TikTok to your website, they have to know exactly what you're selling, and these gifts explain the product in literally 1 to 2 gifts, and 1 to 2 gifts can literally be more than enough, but I added 4 gifts just to make the website high converting. And if you go down, you guys can see that there is a step-by-step guide on how to use the product. And if you go more down, you guys can see that we have over 200 reviews of people using this product right here. And if you guys want to use the cash on delivery app, it's literally all linked in the description below so you guys can take advantage of it. And no, I'm not sponsored, I'm just telling you guys for your own benefit. So once I was done finding the winning product and actually building my store, the third step was to actually find a supplier for this product, and it was quite simple. Because this product was actually blowing up, the supplier was easily found on Alibaba and AliExpress. Now I know you guys want the exact suppliers that I use, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description for my free Discord that you guys can join and actually take advantage of all the resources that I'm using so you guys can actually have a profitable store as well. And in the announcement tab, I'm gonna leave the exact supplier I use for this product right here so that he can deliver it to any country wherever you live to you or to your customers. So once I found my supplier, which was quite simple because this product was already blowing up, the last step was to actually sell this product, which is the main part of this whole journey. So for me to sell this product right here, which I'm gonna open to you guys right now, just to show it to you guys. As you guys can see, this is the Portaflex right here. It doesn't have any logo or anything like that. I could potentially leave my own logo on this product right here and make it a branded store, which is what my goal is. But I am sharing this product with everyone who's watching this video. So you guys are welcome, and make sure you subscribe because I'm just giving away so much value, so you guys need to appreciate it by just subscribing. So for me to sell this product, all I had to do was literally start a TikTok and an Instagram account. But with a twist. All I did was start the accounts in an Arabic version instead of just normal English version, because English version was taking all over TikTok. So I had to be smart and I had to take over the country which I live in Dubai. I started giving away this product to a few influencers, and I started giving it away to my friend who actually speaks Arabic, and I actually told him to create as many videos as possible for this product and post it daily. And that is exactly what he did, and that is exactly how we went from 0 to 11k in 7 days. A few of our videos got 1.8 million to 1.6 million views. At the start we had a few conversion issues, but now it's completely good to go. So that is exactly how you guys can start your own journey in dropshipping and start going from 0 to 11k without any advertisement costs, without anything like that, all the organic method. Again, I'm just gonna tell you guys the steps that I've followed that made me go from 0 to 11k. If you guys of course have any questions, make sure you guys leave it down below. Once again, find a winning product, build your store on Shopify, find a supplier, start marketing the product through organic method or through advertisement method if you guys have the budget for it. But if you guys don't, just go through the organic method, which is quite simple. There's thousands of guides on TikTok and on Instagram and on YouTube available. But if you guys want my guide exactly how I did it, make sure you guys leave a comment below and I'll make sure to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was filled with so much value, so make sure you guys subscribe with the notifications on. That's the least I could ask for. So I'd appreciate it if you guys do it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.